Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how to create Target shopping list. Now, creating a shopping list at Target, you could use either the Target app or Target.com to keep your items organized and even see which aisle they are in. So what you need is open up your Target app onto your device, log in. You could just tap the My Target at the very bottom right corner of the screen. There you go. Now you could use the default My Shopping List or tap Create to start a custom one for a specific need like groceries or back to school. So basically what you could do is here you could go ahead and look for list and favorites. Here you could go ahead and look for My Shopping List. You could also create one. You could just go ahead and select that, give a name and select confirm. Once you've done this, you will be able to create a shopping list. Now you could simply start adding item to this particular shopping list. So all you need is just select add item and you could just use the search bar tool and then start adding item to your list. So this way you're supposed to create Target shopping list. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.